All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Toyota Corolla. It is the LE model, this beautiful gray color with black cloth interior, AM FM CD player, Onyx and all that good stuff. It's got backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. 35,000 miles on this vehicle, or 37,000 actually. Hood looks good, front bumper looks good, fender looks pretty decent. Here's your front passenger hubcap. It is beat up, we're gonna need a new hubcap for that. All right, folks, tires right here. It is at 630 seconds. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty nice. Actually, I see a dent here. About 6-inch dent right there. No paint off. It can be seen. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's side hubcap. That one also needs to be replaced. And your tire right down here is almost at 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Let's get check out the instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 37,407. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. Looks pretty good. Does have a hole right there. I'd say less than a quarter inch. It does come with an armrest, cup holders. Got a little singe mark there. Same thing. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty decent. Rear trunk. Looks pretty good. There's a spare tire here with some tools. And then I did put your owner's manual there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. That one looks good, does not need to be replaced. Your tire right here is at 630 seconds. Alright. Yep. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat, and the whole no tears or rips looks good. Front driver's seat, front driver's door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears or rips to that one. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread is around 630 seconds. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE model with 37,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.